wa 11 Gikunjuro geni guku kwa Muthingi TV iri Jumatatu ya mbere ya mwaka ya mweri wa 11 na makiria tukendithiria mawega aria othe mareka igeranio cia KCSE ni ndoka niguo ngurehere Gikunjuro kia Mohoro na ngumenyithie uria bururi watinda ukigariura no mbere ndaya reke twambe twamukire matemo ma Mohoro. Mamwe maria tukuharireirie ni ati Prime Minister wa bururi wa Czech Professor Petr Fiala kwambĩrĩria Iceera Riake ria thikũ ithatu gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ thutha wake kũnyitwo ũgeni na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa maminista Musalia Mudavadi. Arutwo 900 kwambĩrĩria igeranio ciao cia KCPE mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ guothe bũrũri-inĩ. Nakuo kaunti ya Pokot ya ithũĩro thirikari ya kaunti iyo kũregana na wendia wa mahiũ kũrũmĩrĩra mũtuthũko wa mĩrimũ ya mahiũ ya kanua na magũrũ. Ngakuririkania ati tabarĩra ici citũ ya memerekio ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nenda-inĩ citũ cia ũkinyanĩria Facebook @Muthingi TV, YouTube @Muthingi TV nĩngetwo Wairimu wa Kimani na tukiambĩrĩria ni ati Minister Nyabara ndudu-inĩ ya maminista gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ Musalia Mudavadi nĩanyitĩte ũgeni Prime Minister wa bũrũri wa Czech Republic Professor na harĩ meharĩrĩria ma igeranio cia KCSE arutwo makiria ya 13,000 nĩo maikarĩire igeranio cia KCSE kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ gũkũ mĩhang'o ya kũheana igeranio ici igĩtongorio nĩ mũnini wa County Commissioner Julius Kavuta hamwe na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa TSC kaunti-inĩ iyo arĩa maugire atĩ nĩ megũtigĩra ũgitĩri nĩ wabacĩrithio katika nĩguo
Today we are starting the first paper in the KCSE exams, and we've opened the container at 7 a.m. We've distributed papers to 40 centers, and the invigilators and supervisors are well prepared.
We are all set. You witnessed the opening of the container. The center managers are very organized. The security is very organized. And my boss, the county commissioner, who is in Kishugu, is ensuring the exams goes around very well. He has instructed us, the deputy county commissioner, to be very keen on that. That's why he's touring everywhere. Again, the difference with this exam is we have two shifts. We have instructed the center managers by 12:30 to bring the first shift of the exam papers. Then from there we shall issue them with the others. They go and bring them at around 4. And we shall make sure all that one is done with all the smoothness it deserves. The ones who are sick are not from our sub-count, but because we have a very nice referral hospital, one has come and is admitted, given exam there without the security in that hospital.
Naguo mwena-inĩ wa Turukana mĩhang'o ya ũheani wa maratathi maya ma KCSE no ithire na mbere ona thenge ya mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩkoreirwo ĩrĩ kuo gũkũ maratathi maya magĩtwarwo na njĩra ya ndege. Rĩu mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa gĩthomo kaunti-inĩ ĩyo Henry Lubanga akiuga atĩ kwĩna maabitha a kũigana arĩa megũtigĩrĩra mĩhang'o ĩno ya ũtwari wa maratathi ma KCSE nĩ yakinyanĩra.
This year we have 5,389 boys and 3,521 girls doing this exam. to 8,910 candidates. We have had a challenge in Nakuru area. We are expecting the chopper to come and lift the exam and a few officers from Kerio to Nakuru anytime. Others in other places, we expect the examination to begin in good time. Turkana is a security area, and the government has brought many officers here to manage security. Some of them have been assigned to carry out examination in the 82 centers we are having.
Nake murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya igerio guku bũrũri-inĩ cia neki David Ngejere nĩarutĩte mawatho merũ marĩa megũthũrima igeranio ici cia KCSE. Harĩ mawatho maya augĩte atĩ igeranio ici cirĩgĩragwo maita merĩ mũgarũ na hau gabere, na ningĩ harĩ igeranio ici gũtirĩ maabitha thukuru ikoragwo makĩhũthĩra thimũ ciao. Amuheana namba njerũ ĩrĩa ĩgũkorwo ĩkĩhũthĩrwo gũthũrima ng'enda ici.
A new rule that the government is implementing, which is that KCSE, the first session will be conducted from 8 o'clock. Then the center managers will return those scripts to the container, and they will collect the second session paper at 12:30, and they will administer that paper at 2 p.m. That is the new rule that we are implementing, and it is mainly serving to address the challenge of early exposure of the second session paper. The second rule, and which has been there, but we are emphasizing it, is mobile phones. The rule is nobody is allowed to have mobile phones in the examination center except the center manager. All other phones should be kept in the center manager's office. Adhere to that rule, I am sure the challenge of early exposure of the second session is going to be addressed permanently.
Nakio kiama kia gutetera ihoto cia arimu kia KUPPET nĩ makaire thirikari kuongerera nyongera ya marĩhi ma mawĩra marĩa arimu makoragwo makĩruta, na kũringana na mũnini wa mwandĩki wa kĩama gĩkĩ bũrũri-inĩ Moses Nturima nĩaugĩte atĩ thirikari nĩ ĩbatiĩ kuongerera gĩcunjĩ kĩa magana kĩa 30% harĩ marĩhi ma o mwarimũ gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Spoken here has talked about the differences between the classroom teacher, the lowest earning at 35,000, and the highest earning principal at 152,000. If you calculate the difference, you will find that the difference is 117,000. That difference is immoral. It is an immoral difference, and we are asking the Commission to get in the bottom of this thing to ensure that the gap between the highest earning and the lowest earning is narrowed to 25%. That is accepted world over. Because you cannot have 100,000 on top of the other person who is doing the same business. We have engaged him several times. So in 2021, we submitted a CBA, and we are saying that we must get an increment of between 30 and 70%. The classroom teacher was supposed to get 70% of increase, and then the highest earning will get that percent. We are taking learners out of the school, and now the principals look at you whether he likes you or not. Then he tells you, you it is 200, you it is 1,000. We don't want that kind of arrangement. We want standardized per diems when we are taking our learners out.
Na rĩu tũgĩtigana na icio cia gĩthomo tũkũingĩra mwena wa Pokot Ithũĩro kũrĩa irũthĩro kũrĩa thirikari ya Pokot Ithũĩro rĩu nĩkĩtie rĩtana rĩa kũregana na wendia wa mahiũ harĩ inanda ciothe cia itũra rĩu kumana na mũtuthũko wa mũrimũ wa mahiũ ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũrĩ kuo. Retana rere riketio ni Minister wa Urimi Wilfred wa itura riu itua rere riria rihembiirio ni aikari aku ningi magicokeria ngatho thirikari ya Pokot ni kumaririkana na kumathaitira ihinda riri.
Charles ngo yetu aswa ni yenye tunasema tutafanya ring vaccination kwa sababu tayari tumesimamisha masoko. Kutembea kwa ng'ombe itakuwa rahisi huu ugonjwa kuisha. So tunalipanga ya kwamba penye imeonekana tunadunga wale wakulima karibu na hapo.
Jina naitwa Daktari Samuel Chelimo. Mimi ni mkurugenzi ya matibabu ya mifugo katika kaunti ya West Pokot. So nafikiri tunaomba tu wakulima tushirikiane pamoja, walete mifugo yao mali tukiitisha, na mpango yetu tu ni kwenda kwa mashamba ili tuweze kuchanja hizo mifugo, ndio mifugo isitembee na iweze kuchanganyana. So naomba hata wachuruzi wa mifugo watulie kidogo, wasitembeze mifugo, hata wakulima wenye wanauza mifugo wasiuze kwa muda fupi ili tumalize hiyo ugonjwa kwa haraka sana.
Kwa majina naitwa Philip Adowia kutoka Tapoyo. Tunashukuru serikali yetu ya kaunti kwa kutuletea chanjo ya wanyama wetu ya ugonjwa wa mguu na mdomo, na tunapongeza. Lakini tungeomba serikali ya kwamba kama ni kuchanja ng'ombe iwe ni asubuhi, na hatuna daktari, ilikuwa daktari mmoja tu. So ile kazi ilikuwa kubwa, na hata mahali hapa wanachanja ng'ombe si mzuri. Hata ng'ombe wengine walikuwa wanakanyagia chini. So tungeomba tuchengewe crash ile mzuri ya kudungia ng'ombe, ili mahali iko mzuri flat. Hapa iko mabonde bonde na ng'ombe karibu tupoteze wanyama. Hata mpaka saa hii imekuwa late sana, hata ng'ombe wa chakula. So tunasema next time mtufanyie hata masindano pia, ilikuwa nyingine imeharibika, hata saa hii bado tunaongoja. So tunaomba serikali wa equip wizara ili wanyama wetu wapate chanjo kwa wakati unaofaa.
Tukwihoka ate andũ a kũu Pokot ithũĩro nĩmegũkorwo makĩingĩrĩria kĩrĩa marerwo nĩ thirikari na ministry nĩguo kwĩgita na mĩrimũ ĩrĩa ĩngĩkorwo ĩkĩrehwo nĩ mĩrimũ ya mahiũ. Riboti ĩyo nĩyo ĩgũtũhe kahinda ga gũikiria hanini, no ndũgathiĩ haraya amu nĩ tũracoka na mangĩ maingĩ.
Welcome to Flamingo Towers. Flamingo Towers is an elegantly designed executive office complex. The building splits seamlessly into 2 wings, retaining 12 levels of grade A commercial space with flexible interior arrangements and 6 floors of parking accessed by car elevators. Located along Mara Road in Nairobi's Upper Hill area, Flamingo Towers boasts of panoramic scenic views from every office, 24-hour CCTV surveillance systems, fiber optic broadband connectivity, 2 high-speed elevators, MVA power supply with standby generator, and many more modern facilities. The building and its naming rights are up for sale. For more information, contact us on 0727 287 994 or visit our website on www.flamingotowers.com. Flamingo Towers, a product of Fusion Capital. Fusion Capital, rooted in the African growth story.
Ihoto kiunaga utamugete na kuona kihoto watho ni ufataranagia.
Watho ukoragwo wa guteithia mitugo na mikire ya maundu hari andu othe.
Na watho ugite ni 3 months with full pay.
Ndwagĩrĩirwo gũtwarwo police station kana gũtwarwo criminal court ni ũndũ wa defamation.
Na nikio ni nawe tufatie kumenya uria mundu agietha kihoto giake.
Mwana ena right yake na mwana we ni innocent.
Kihoto iriko na muthuri na mutumia tokogana na indo ikwari.
Watho ni witikiritie ciana icio utigirwo.
Nyitana nani Wairimu wa Kimani guku kwa Muthingi TV o wakana thaigire cia hwaini tuthome na tuhiganie cigi watho amu guku nikuo kihumo kia gutherema. Thengio muno murori witu no ndwa guthie na mbere guikara mutambo-ini na riu muikariri giti wa kamiti ya kigina kia budget bunge-ini ya gibũrũri Gikunjuro riu ni oritie a Kenya kugia na wetereri amu riu maundu no marathie makiagiraga. Gikunjuro augite mibango na mitaratara ya thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni gukinyanira. Mierio ino ararekereirie ari kanitha-ini wa Catholic wa St James Mobi mwena-ini wa Kiambu.
Kwa hivyo mimi nauliza Wakenya wote, najua kumekuwa na ugumu kidogo wa uchumi, lakini hata sisi ni Wakenya, hata tukiwaongoza tungetaka Kenya ambayo ni thabiti, na vile tuliona kama policy ile tuliweka ya food security is already bearing fruit. If you go to our supermarkets, the prices of sugar is now much lower. It is based on policy, opportunity meeting preparedness. We had the right policies, but God blessed us with rains. Now the prices of sugar are much lower than it was a year ago. Vile tumeona hiyo policy ya food security waki, nataka nisisitiza Wakenya wote, even the other policies ambazo tumeweka, ambazo saa zingine zinakuja zinastahili tuvute kama kidogo. Hata hizo vile tumeona food security policies are working. Even those other ones, we know for sure they are going to work. We know CBC had issues, we started, we are now stabilizing. University funding model, ambayo ni university students, tukianza the challenges, but is now stabilizing. Na kwa hiyo university funding model, 45,000 students watakuwa wanaingia universities, wanasoma bila kulipa school fees hata shilingi moja. I want to assure the Kenyan people that the strategies and the policies that the president is following, they are bearing fruit. Wahakikishia wa Kenya, the time ya kufuta kama imeisha. Sasa ni kustabilize na kupeleka uchumi mbele.
Na turio oici cia bũrũri, mũmbunge wa Ugenya David Ochieng nĩoritie a Kenya kuhĩmbĩria uruti wĩra wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza harĩ kugeria gũtwara bũrũri na mbere. Mũmbunge ũyũ nĩaugĩte atĩ andũ no mahĩmbĩrie ũrĩmi wa mbegũ cia raithi, ũndũ ũrĩa ũkũhotithia gũkorwo makĩgetha maciaro maingĩ na kũnyihia mathirĩ marĩa makoretwo marĩ kuo nĩ ũndũ wa ũgũri wa irio kuma mabũrũri ma nanja.
Mimi kama David Ochieng, mimi si mlevi wala sivuti sigara wala ile sigara kubwa. Mimi niko sober 24/7. Kuna uamuzi fulani za rais ambazo mnazafikiria kwamba hazisaidii wananchi, lakini mambo ya chakula katika nchi, mambo ya chakula ni muhimu kuliko kitu kingine yoyote. Food security is the most important thing for me in a country. Lord Bishop, today in Uganda, inflation is 2.9%, and none of those things are bought. That's the point. That any normal Ugandan will have a 5-course meal without using money a single cent, because they use their farms well. Our inflation today is 6.8 going to 7% because we use so much money buying food. We use so much money importing food. That's why the president said, Rais amesema kwamba, first of all, let's grow our own food. That's how we build a country. If we cannot sort out our food problems, we'll never grow as an economy. Tunawahimiza watu wa Nyanza huku, ile mbolea ya serikali ya bei nzuri tuichukue. Mambo ya ukulima tufanye ya kisasa. Ili tumie mbegu ya kisasa, tuzalishe chakula ya kutosha, tuweze kununua chakula kutoka nje. That's how we live and stabilize the dollar. Ni mambo ya uchumi, nasikia uchumi inaenda mbaya, mambo ya ushuru. The whole world, no one grew by borrowing. No one grew the economies by borrowing money.
Na koromerera gushanio iria ikoretwo irio kuo gatagati ka governor wa county ya Kisii Mbarati na Senator Richard Onyoko. Ro speaker wa bunge ya gĩbũrũri Moses Wetangula nĩ gwithanĩtie atongoria aya ere moroti-inĩ wa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ ũtungata harĩ mũingĩ ndũnahotomio nĩ ngucanio ici. Ona kũrĩ ũguo Moses Wetangula nĩoretie governor ũyũ kwĩiguithania na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza nĩguo gũtigĩrĩra atĩ Akenya arĩa mamũthurire nĩ makinyĩrwo nĩ tabarĩra cia thirikari cia ũthii wa na mbere.
Tunaomba serikali ya Mheshimiwa William Ruto taxes. Hata mimi najua kwamba naweka taxes kidogo, lakini ipungue kidogo tafadhali. Watu vijana wa pikipiki hapa watakwambia ile mambo maisha wanapitia. Mheshimiwa Rais akikubali anakuja, tunakaribisha yeye, tunafanya naye kazi na tunaomba yeye kazi kutoka ile iko juu. Hatuko vita yoyote. Sisi hawa watu ni watu wangu wote. Wakoe wa UDA, wakoe wa UPA ambayo ni nyumba ya Omogusi, ikuwe ODM, chama tukufu cha kitaifa. Hiyo yote sisi tuko watu wa moja. Na hawa watu wote ni watu wangu.
Usipofanya urafiki, what you need here is also needed in Nyamira, is also needed in Migori, is also needed in Narok. It's a question of priority. Bwana Arati and your whole county, vile umesema, tuunge serikali ya William Ruto mkono, tufanye kazi pamoja. Mnakubali hao wangwana wafanye kazi pamoja? Thank you. That is my little contribution to Kisii. Yes.
Na rĩu tũkĩingĩra iharo-inĩ mbĩtĩka-inĩ cia ligi nene ya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, timu ĩrĩa yarĩ namba 2 kĩmera kĩhĩtũku Tusker FC mũthĩ wa ira marahotirwo nĩ timu ĩrĩa yambĩtithĩtio ngathĩ ya kũingĩra ligi-inĩ nene ya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ timu ya Murang'a Seal. Murang'a Seal marehotanire na bao 2-1.
Kwa majina ni Peter Mohoro, Murang'a Seal captain. Game hajakuwa mbaya, even though tulifungwa mapema, ikatuweka chini kidogo, lakini tulienda tukalikava, tumerudi tukalikava na tukapata bao ya ushindi, of which imetupea morale sana, pia imetuweka hapo juu kidogo kwa table. Tulianza ligi vibaya, tulianza poa na si watu wengi walikuwa na expect tunaweza kuwa hapo, lakini ile effort iko na vijana wangu na waaminiana, najua tunaenda far. Kucheza na Tusker pia haikuwa rahisi, tulikuwa tunajua ni game hard, lakini preparation yetu imekuwa poa. Sasa tuna focus na game next na fuiti Gor Mahia. Kucheza na Gor najua pia itakuwa rahisi, itakuwa ngumu, but pia sisi preparation yetu ndio itadetermine vile tutaplay game. Najua pia wao wanajua wamekuwa kwa ligi for long, sisi ndio tumekuja, but ni kuweka tu effort kidogo na tunajua hata sisi tumeprepare kuwa face.
Kingi na mimi ni head coach wa Murang'a. Hiyo mechi imekuwa mzuri, maana yake tumeweza kushinda, na timu tumeshinda ni timu kubwa, imekaa kwa ligi miaka mingi. Kwa hivyo mimi nashukuru tu vijana wangu vile wamejitolea, na ni kuwarudishia tu shukrani vijana wangu, na bado kuna mechi zingine zile zinakuja, tunajitayarisha tu kama vile tulijitayarisha hii mechi. Kwa hivyo hakuna kitu yote tunaweza badilisha kubwa.
Tukiria betikaini shinene cia ligi nene ya gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ nĩ atĩ timu ya Shabana nĩ marekĩtie kwandĩkithia maumĩrĩra moru betikaini cia ithatũ iria ikoretwo irĩ kuo hĩtũku. Mũthaki Derek Zimbabwe kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa Uganda niwe arafungire bao ya mbere, nake Andrew Juma arafunga timu yake ya Bandari bao ya kerĩ. Timu ya Shabana FC marafungirwo nĩ mũthaki Nehemiah Onchire kĩharo-inĩ kĩa timu ya Bandari Mbaraki Stadium.
Game haikuwa mbaya. Si wenyewe tunajilaumu sababu tumemake some silly mistakes hapo kwa defense yetu and tukaconsider, but generally it was a good game. My boys played a good game. Wame create chances na pia tukuzitumia.
Ni mfano tosha KPL, hakuna timu rahisi. Hao wenzetu ukiona kwenye table wako mwisho, lakini angalia ule mchezo wanapeana, wamecheza mchezo poa sana. Sisi tulitarajia wacheze vile wamecheza, kwa vile kwa watafuta point, game kama mbili wanafuatana tatu hawapati point, lazima game ingewa ngumu. Kwa hivyo tulikuwa tumetarajia wangejipile nyuma. Sasa yetu ni kuwa patient na game. Na vijana ukiangalia bao kama ya kwanza nilikuwa patient na game yetu na tukaweza kupata bao. Ya pili hiyo nimenifurahisha sana kwa sababu kona tumeziwakia sana. Kona ni sehemu moja ambapo tujakuwa tukipata mabao, lakini leo tumeipata na throughout the week tumekuwa tukiwakia kona. Kwa hivyo ni kitu pia imenifurahisha na imefurahisha wenzangu kwa sababu kitu tumeiwakia imefanyika.
Now ateteri a Rift Valley betikaini cia Chapadimba, Lisa Hill Academy kuma kaunti ya Kajiado, Mwenge FC kuma kaunti ya Naikuru, Trinity Mission Girls kuma Naikuru na Olmelil Girls Secondary School kuma Narok nio maregwetire tigiti wa kuingira irerekaine rĩa regional final mwena wa Rift Valley thutha wa kuhotana betikaini cia Chapadimba iria cirathakirwo mwena wa Bomet mwena wa Naikuru.
Okay, for today's game it has been a very hard match, because we've met the first game. We met a new challenge, a new opponent. We've not played them before, and actually you saw the first game. It was a very crucial match. We were okay as a coach. I was expecting to win with more than even 5 goals, but unfortunately, my opponent tactically he was good, and I managed to win, but with a one goal win, which was not according to my expectations. And about the second match, the opponent of the second match, we've been playing friendly matches against them, but they reinforced the team. Actually, that is I may say that was the reason as to why we didn't score enough goals as I was expecting. And so I've seen the weakness of my team. So as a coach, I'm going to work about the weakness of the team, so that as we are going to approach the regional level, we go and fight, because at the end of the day, Magasa are ready, well mentally prepared, physically prepared, and are ready to carry back the trophy at home.
Kwa game ya leo, game ya kwanza tumeshinda 9-0, game ya pili tukajituma pia tumeshinda 4-0, na strategy yenye tumetumia ni kuweka ball chini, kujituma ile kabisa na kuapply kila kitu yenye coach ametuambia. Kwa game ya leo sija consider any goal. Hiyo ni part ya goalkeeping, inafaa ikuwe, na strategy yenye nimetumia ni ile tu kuongea, kucommunicate na defender wangu na kupiga shughuli safi. Tunapoelekea finali ambayo itakuwa hapo hivyo Nakuru, hapo hivyo showground. I think kwa mafans wetu watarajie tu win na win tu
Gatho cia mwanya muno murorito wa Muthingi TV na makiria wewe tikira gutorana ni kuma kiambiriria ya Gikunjuro itu kia Mohoro nginya haha na makiria kwambanire na ithu mweri-ini wa 11 aria mareka kigerio kia KCSE tukamendithĩria mawega nie gukinya hau no ndwa kahinda no wona yehanda thaa ĩmwe na thaa ithatũ tukorwo tukĩkũrehera mangĩ maingĩ nie njĩtĩkaga Wairimu wa Kimani.